About a year ago, if you had have told me that I'd be using AI as much as I am now, I probably would have been a little bit worried. But funnily enough, the more you use AI, the better it makes everything. And so all of a sudden you find new ways of using it, and it just makes life so much easier. It's like having that kind of secret best friend that you never knew you had, that kind of understands you, remembers conversations, and starts to help you in so many different ways. And then it actually now, it in a, well, especially specifically ChatGPT, which is predominantly the main AI that I'm using, it starts to even help you and give you ideas. So it is like somebody in a meeting bouncing off ideas. And as a designer, I find that this is starting to revolutionize the way that I work, not only in business, but in my career. And I think this is really exciting because things that I'd never had the time to do before, or things that I kind of wanted to like get an idea about, but I didn't have the person to kind of who understood exactly what it was that I was trying to get at, and then helped me thrash out that idea. And it's really kind of cool because you can, because you're the person prompting it, you can lead the conversation in a way that you could never do with a human because it would just be rude. So it's kind of funny that for me, something like well, I call it Chatty, ChatGPT just has revolutionized the way that I work as a designer. And that is specifically in terms of the design process. So every single phase of a project, I now use AI. So to help me formulate a brief, to kind of help me search out data that I would have taken me ages and ages to find on the internet and search and then find resources and references. Now is it takes literally seconds as long as I'm putting in the right prompt. This stuff just literally shaves off hours and hours off my time. Then when I start getting into concept design or detail design, and all of these areas of my business have completely changed because now I've got this person who knows everything and who can help me. It's kind of pretty exciting in so many different ways. So I think one thing that designers don't realize, because a lot of people, I've been speaking to a lot of people and they're so afraid of AI, but actually, this is something that is not to be afraid of because our governments are investing loads and loads of money into this. They want us to explore this, to use it, because we can't, well, we have to stay ahead of it. So we are the people who are driving this. We're the generation that are going to be pushing these ideas. So don't be afraid of it. Use it and use it to your advantage because it actually does make life so much easier and so much better. And what kind of AI am I talking about? Well, obviously, I've spoken about ChatGPT. I use plugins for SketchUp, Archisynth, Discord, Midjourney, ClickUp. I use so many at different phases of the project. So for project management, and it literally helps me cut hours and hours of time and stress and overwhelm that I suppose things that I used to put to the side, I know I can do in a couple of minutes now. And that is just life changing. So this is something that I think you shouldn't be afraid of. You need to embrace as a designer and get excited about because this is going to give you and open up a world of opportunity that you probably never thought of before. My name's Jo Kroback. I'm an architect and interior designer, and I'm the CEO of the Interior Designers Business School here in London.